Chat, my cat is on some emo stuff. Look at this. He plans on committing suicide. Yeah, my cat is emo. Goose, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this, boy. Please, listen. No jumping out the window. No. Goose, you can't do this. No. Goose, get out the window. Goose, you gotta get out the window. Goose, you can't keep doing this. Come on, Goose. Good, no jumping, okay, boy? No jumping, okay? Good boy. Oh my God. Why so angry?